Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today's Tuesday, so it's time to see what's new at the Dollar Tree and popular restocked items. This will be for the week of December the 13th, 2022, and of course we post Dollar Tree videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. So let's go shopping and see what's new. First, we'll start with apparel and accessories. They had their Christmas scarves restocked. These are the 11 by 60 inch scarves, and they just had this plaid one restocked this week. They also had some of their Anvil brand tri-blend shirts in. These are with the 3/4 length sleeves. You get the polyester cotton rayon blend, and you get the 50-25-25 ratio there. They also had some different t-shirts in the Anvil brand and the Hanes brand. I found some long sleeve shirts as well in a few different colors and sizes. Over in the arts and crafts, they've restocked this Love Craft sign. It's like a metal frame, so you can decorate it with floral items and things like that. They also had some more of these farmhouse looking little houses here. They're kind of like an easel framed sign that you're meant to decorate. As you can see from the back here, they're just made of that MDF board, and I found them over by the ones with the buffalo plaid already attached to them. So they had some new hanging signs, which I showed these on Friday, but I found these at a few more stores this week. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware that these are becoming more available. So they have the one with the floral and then the wood grain hanging sign here. Also the ones that look like a chalkboard with the little tags that hang from the bottom. I believe there's 3 of these like blue tags that hang from the chalkboard sign, or you can get the little yard stake signs. One is a chalkboard and the other one is the round circle with the wood grain and buffalo plaid. They had some more of their wood slices in the 2-pack. If you can find the ornaments, you'll actually get 3 in a pack for the same price, or you can get these glass ornaments also. They had the houses and the star and then the hexagons. They just restocked those, and those are of course on the twine hangers. For the baby items, not a whole lot new. They did have some new body wash, the Cocomelon, Encanto, and then Gabby's Dollhouse. Those are like the 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, conditioners. Over in the health and beauty, we're going to start with the cosmetics items first. Again, they didn't have a whole lot new, but they did have their beauty collection, beauty blenders. There's 4 different ones. They have like the Wild and Cute, the cheetah print, that's the yellow. They have the I Love Bears, and that's the gray one. They have a Nice Day, has the sloth, that's the purple one, and of course you get the magical, which is the unicorn, that's the pink one there. The LA Colors, they had the Color Craze nails, that's Slay, and it's got this little tiny nail or emery board that is attached to the nail polish, which I thought was really cute. There's lots of glitter, a bunch of different shimmer colors, and it's in this little pop-up box set in the aisle. They also had a bunch of new nails that you do have to provide the glue, and you get I think like 12 in each pack. They've got like stilettos shaped, a bunch of different designs on them, and they range anywhere from like active length to like extra long. So they have lots of different varieties and options, lots of designs, matte color, some metallic ones as well. So there's lots of different ones they just put out. Also, there were some new items in hair care. They had the 3-pack of the black scrunchies, which is always really popular. They seem to go really quickly. Then they had this 4-pack of the snap clips with the Sherpa style material attached. They had those in black, really pretty Christmas red. You could also get them in gray and snow white. And then to coordinate with the snap clips, and those are a large snap clip, they also had the headbands. Here's the black one, the snowy white, and then the gray, and then of course Christmas red. Then there were the spiral curl rollers they had in. You get 10 in each pack. And then I found some more of this Flyaway by Be Pure. It's got this finishing hair cream with a brush. Also in the pharmacy and personal care, there were a few new items over there. We've got the unicorn loofah. You can also get the loofahs on the stick. They have a really pretty pastel colors right now. They've got the light pink, gray, a light blue, and a light purple. There's also this Crabtree and Evelyn argan oil body wash. They had some facial cleansers, the cedar leaf and oil for men, some facial moisturizers, which is the coconut and green tea, That is the Renew Gentle like exfoliators. They had the facial toners. Most of those are 5 fluid ounce bottles. There's also the rose water and chamomile. All facial toners, facial washes, the aloe. They had some moisturizers, exfoliators, and some paper masks. This little pop-up makeup brush set. There's also the manicure set here. You've got the toe separators, the cuticle pusher, and some emery boards. You've got the yellow with the lemons, the pink with the hearts. They also have this teal with the polka dots, and then a purple one with a honeycomb pattern. They've got your build your own facial bar. They've got the exfoliating brushes in the pink and blue. You've got your polishing cloths, and then they had the jade stones. There's also a bunch of these eye masks that you can put in the freezer for the gel to freeze for cooling puffy eyes. They had those in several different colors. Also the spa bath pouches. You put the soap in the pouch and then it acts as like a soapy loofah. There's also the kinesiology tape restock. This is very popular around here. It's been selling out almost as soon as they put it on the shelf. There's some last minute gift items like some gold shimmering facial serum for hydrating. And then there's the non-medicated blemish patches, which are these gold stars. And you get 10 in that packet. The fun find items, they had these new slinky keychains. You get 2 per bag. And there are 6 different designs or shapes that you could collect. You get 2 in each pack. So they've got the green, the orange, yellow, and pink color slinkies. And it does come with a little chain already attached for the keychain. There were these cosmetic bags or pencil cases. You can use them as either or. They've got the one that says Girl Boss with the tie-dye pattern, and then Vibe Check Positivity Only with the smiley faces and stars. You've also got your vintage style keychains, which look like a vintage motel key. And then for the home decor, they had some more of these light up signs that we saw a few weeks back. It says, be kind, be brave, be awesome. And it lights up with the little LED light in the back. You've got your galvanized metal signs that say, eat well, live simply, laugh often. Life won't sparkle unless you do. And let's do this. And those are all about a 4x4, maybe a 6x6 inch picture. They had their twisted tape your candles in green, white, and red. You get 2 in each pack. There's a close-up so you guys can see them a little bit better. And there's their bioluminescence. They also had some last-minute gift signs. These are those little shelf signs. They're about, I would say these are about 24 inches long. They're pretty big. They come in usually in 2 different sizes. These are the longer ones. They have a couple different sayings on them. If you guys didn't see last week, they had these new picture frames that look like a puzzle piece. So cute. They come in 4 different colors. And then they've restocked these little stacking boxes here where you can put the label in the front. It's got the little label holder. And of course, those come in 3 different sizes. A few more stores put out the gold, metal, and glass heart-shaped boxes gearing up for Valentine's Day. Now for the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree, we've got some new comic books. They've got the Star Wars Adventures. There are 3 different ones that I found today. A bunch of kids books like Bruno's Box and some discovery books to teach you about different animals. There were tigers, sharks, and penguins. Then they had some more of the Jot brand higher end office supplies with the marble look. They've got the post-it note holder, your business card holder, and then the letter holder. For the letter holders, they also had them in the stackable orange color. And then they had some more of the Jot brand markers that have the silver like liquid with the outline in the color of the lid. So those are really fun to play with. Over in the Housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, they had a bunch of these in-wash aroma boosters. These are the 17.5 fluid ounce bottles, and you've got all these little like fabric softener beads inside. They smell really good. Those sell out pretty quickly around here. You can also get the Bounce fabric sheets. There's 15 in a box, or you can get these new toilet bowl cleaners. It comes with this bottle, and it looks like you just set set it upright in the tank. There's also some different night lights out this week. They've got the pink unicorn, the little blue dinosaur, and they also have the green frog. If anyone's been looking for those sticky wall adhesive tiles, just a heads up, Dollar General still has these for $1. So if you're looking for them, please don't pay $1.25. You can get them at Dollar General for just $1. Now for the kitchen and pantry items, we've seen these snowflake plates, the charger plates, the bowls. Recently, they put these out. They also have the dish towels. This week, I was able to find these really gorgeous placemats with a shimmering snowflake all over the top. The back of them is like a light gold. So pretty. I just absolutely fell in love with these. So keep your eye out for those as well. And then in the kitchen and pantry, they had some more of these Mandalorian lunch boxes or little lunch bags. You get 2 for $1.25. And now for the party supplies, they had a bunch of new gift bags for the wedding and bridal section. I just love these bags. You can really use them to make a lot of really pretty crafts if you wanted to. I'm actually going to show a craft this week showing you guys how to use gift bags for some home decor. Then there are these takeout containers. You get 3 for $1.25. These are great for gift giving and making little gift boxes. And then there are also some new party hats. They've got the crowns in the gold or silver. You can either get them in the metallic or the glitter, and you get 5 in each pack. To coordinate with the gold and silver, they had some gold and silver metallic tablecloths. These are great for the new year as well. And then they've got a whole bunch of their red and green Christmas party plates out. They've got the tablecloths, the cups, the plates, silverware, you name it. They have it in the red and the green. They even had some red and white striped straws. Now for the pet care, there really wasn't a lot new there, but they did have these really cute magnets for the refrigerator. These are the ceramic ones. You've got your cat head that says meow, you and me and the cat. And then this one that says only my dog understands me. And then they were these Red Barn premium dog treats out, which should be great for your little loved one for the holidays. I think they would love this as a treat. It says it is the chicken recipe. And then I found these tiny little paw print stockings for your little one. Over in the toys, games, and entertainment, there were these craft kits. You get 10 hidden picture frames or picture pages with markers. There was Arthur. They had the wild kratts, and then you can also get the dinosaur train. For the color forms, they had some new ones out. These are the sticker adventure stories. They had Buzz Lightyear. It comes with like a few different scenes to decorate with the reusable stickers. They also had Jurassic World. I believe you get 40 stickers in each kit and 3 different scenes to decorate. There were also the Buzz Lightyear Hot Wheels. So that's, they said they were new for 2022, and they had a few different little cars for that. Over in the seasonal items, they've restocked a few of their gnome items. They have the ornaments that are the stuffed ones we saw last year, some more of the home decor signs. The only thing different about this one is I noticed this year they started to put glitter on the beard. They also had some of the gnome for the holidays and gnome sweet gnome signs, just a little bit different than last year. They've got that 3D pom-pom for the hat, and then these gorgeous gift boxes. So they come in a few different sizes. They are like a 3D style box, and then that little picture on the front, the flap kind of goes behind it to help keep it closed. I just love the way these boxes look. I think they're worth $1.25 if you got something really special to give someone, just because of how special the boxes are. They're really well put together, lots of layers to them. So it's a lot of detail. It just seems like there was a lot that went into making them. So I actually wouldn't mind paying $1.25 for one of these gift boxes. I love this one here with the pine cone in the front that says Jolly and Merry. It's got that plaid background there for the back, and then the wood grain with the mason jars on top. They also had these 15 by 11 gift sacks. So we've seen these in a larger size, smaller size. Now they have the medium. You get 2 for $1.25. And then they had a bunch of these little like projector style lights. These are so cute. So you can get the red one here. It's got a snowman with some Christmas trees. The green one, it has Santa with a tree or him with his reindeer flying over town. You can also get this one here with the little red truck and the trees in the background. I found some new wired ribbon. I love this shimmer one with the stripes on the edges, the Mary with the red and green stripes, also the little Santa Claus, or you can get the solid green or red that have different holiday pictures on them, like sweet treats and snowflakes. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus items, they have a bunch of throw blankets for $5, a whole bunch of different Christmas patterns. They've got your gnomes, they have some plaid, snowflakes, reindeer, even dogs dressed up like reindeer to go with the blankets. There were some tablecloths that coordinate with a lot of the blankets. Now the tablecloths are only $3 each as opposed to the blankets, which are $5 each. So pretty much if you see it in a blanket, they had a tablecloth to match, at least at the Dollar Tree I was at. I'm just going to show the one. It was $3, and that is the gnome tablecloth. They had their large plush animals. This one's a little turtle. He's so cute. Here he is from the back. They're $5. There's also an owl. And then a lamb. And of course, your dinosaur. And they had these zone socks. You get 10 socks for $3. They had this solid pack of white or black. It says it fits shoe size 9 to 11. Then these hangers, these are the no-slip hangers. You get 15 for $5, which is a great buy because usually if you buy them in a 2-pack, you know, for $1.25, you're literally getting 5 more if you buy the larger pack for the same price. Then they had these new 2-piece resin kits for $5 for crafting, which was a great find. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you back here on Friday.